What's up, guys? Just got back to the shop. See some familiar packages here. Let's go check out what we got. Woo! Nice. Andy, yo, got some packages you might like. Woo! Looks like the right shape. You know what shape this is? What's this say on there?
ZF? Ooh, I'd say we should probably take these upstairs and open them. It's Christmas, right?
Let's go.
I need another one.
Another one.
There we go.
Yeah.
So we got the struts from ZF today, overnighted to us. We're ready to install them on the car. This is our unboxing video of them. This is the first time we're gonna see them with you. So this is nothing but to do it. Cheesy as that sounds. What do you think, Rusty?
Good.
Little spanner, right? Oh yeah.
Oh. Hey. Look at those boys.
Oh god.
Jeez. Look at that.
I'd say that's the real deal.
Dampening adjustment.
Yeah.
Wow.
And who springs? I bought. Special edition.
That's sick.
Is this the front?
Yeah, that's the front.
Let's get to the rear.
Alright.
All right. That is a good start.
Correct. Dude, those things are insane.
Dusty just throwing lasers and everything.
He's too excited.
It's like Christmas. Right.
Oof. Suspension stuff? Oof.
Oh. Wow.
Jeez, dude.
Nasty. Full.
Rally.
I'm pretty sure we'll be able to get to wherever we need to be with these. Holy cow. How nice is that?
Wow.
All right, well, we're not going home tonight until this car's on the ground.
Here we go.
Let's do it.